did the research for a vehicle that he thought his partially disabled father could get in and out of comfortably and safely.
Excellent.
And after his research, I was impressed by that, and he recommended the dealership very near where I live. And
Excellent.
so here I am.
Excellent. And what would you say your memorable experience during the last few days here?
Well, to be very honest, I was surprised. I simply came in to make sure I was at the right dealership, and very busy afternoon. And the sales rep that is still with me came out of his way to see if there's something he could do to help.
Excellent.
And here we are.